Yeah, it's just coming around the corner. Okay, we've got an evil number 60163 Tornado. Arriving from Kidderminster. So wait, first one, my umbrella. It's just the rain was picking it up.
Something's up.
What?
Something's up. Probably slipping on the wet ground.
Focus on my camera, sorry. Comes out. Yeah, that's it. Okay, 60163 Tornado. Sorry. Take it, man. That's specific. There you go. We'll just see what it is. There it is. This is a lovely engine. So like human move people, this is me. Let's try to keep it still. And this was currently Scientific versus stock. Hi mate. Da 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 da. Say can't do 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 do. Bum bum. Hello there. Hey up guard.
Thank you.
Bridgnorth, Bridgnorth. Change here please, all trains, this train terminates here. Oh yeah, Huntley. Hello mate, how are you? Bridgnorth, isn't it?
Yeah, all right. Yeah, good one.
Hello there.
Hello.
Bit mucky passenger. Well, at least you made it. Well, at least I filmed your loco coming in.
Yeah, great.
I really wish the weather could not be raining today.
Well, without it being raining, couldn't we?
I know.
Never mind.
I know. I've already got 2 new DVDs I bought today,
Oh, right, yeah.
which are pretty good.
Fabulous.